Do you want to use your WhatsApp account on 2 different devices? Yes, you heard me right. You can use one account on 2 different devices very easily. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that without a sweat. So let's get started. First, open up your WhatsApp on the phone where your account is logged in. Then tap on the 3-dot upper right corner. Now head to your new device where you need to log in. Open the WhatsApp app. Then select your language, tap Next, then tap on Agree and Continue. Now here, you don't have to provide a number to log in. Just tap on the 3 dots and select the link to the existing account. Now, it will give you a QR code. Then again, head to your main phone, tap on the link to a device. Now just scan the QR code, and you'll be logged in on your new phone with the same account. So that's how you can use one WhatsApp account on 2 different phones. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.